What's up, goodies? It is your girl, no, no, already, Juliana, and the girl is back with another video. Outside me there, on my back deck, and trust me, the temperature right now, about 100 and something. It's really, really hella hot. But however, today's video is not a cooking one. Today, I just want to come on real quick. Well, maybe not real quick, but I just want to come on and let you guys know why I have not been uploading for the past couple of months. So I think it's time because I don't want to upload any more cooking videos. I do one already, and I think it is just fair enough to kind of let you guys in because we're not part of my family, right? So I think it's just fair, it's just right to let you know exactly why I was not uploading for like 5 months. I don't want to start uploading videos again, just like nothing happened, just in and out. And yeah, just do a little bit of explaining. So if you're here for your first time and you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you will always know. It's hot, hot. Turn on your post notifications so you always know when I upload brand new videos, right? No, before we get into the chit chat, make sure say, right, it is so important to thumbs up the videos because YouTube have this new thing now, but I'm lash them feel down or one up. I don't know which one, but something kind of feel off. But the pair the lashes not mine. But let me tell you about YouTube. YouTube give the videos props when you thumbs up the videos, right? When you thumbs up the videos and them say you like the video, then push the videos out there into a much wider audience, and then the channel and that particular video will grow. So it is so critical to thumbs up the videos them, right? So go ahead and do that. As well as turn on your post notification, right? Do all of that for your girl, alright? So yeah, it's too hot. Let me just go inside and just get this thing going. Alright, y'all. Alright, let's get comfy. Let's sit on the sofa, y'all. Let's sit on the sofa. Let's get comfortable. Oh, man. No, I don't know if I did say. I don't know, maybe remind you about my goodies. Anyway, just in case I did forget the party. For all my returning goodies, I don't know, so the girl loving it to the max. Ah, it is so hot. It is crazy hot. I know so one of my lashes down I want up, but I don't know. Anyway, let's talk about it. Let's talk about why I have not been uploading for the past couple of months. Alright, I did make a video on my other channel, how to cook, not how to cook. Listen, you see the video here? It's now going to be edited, so that's one of the reasons why I have not been uploading, and I will explain that as I go along in the video, right? But this one, you're going to probably hear stuff, see things, no editing, because the videos that you'll be seeing really soon coming up is no editing thing, right? Because I'm having issues. Make me talk about it. Alright, a couple of months back, I noticed I was not able to upload any videos, right? But I have some issue. But sometimes the video them upload without a problem, and sometimes the videos put the hair about this up my heart. Even though I'm in the house, I'm having AC on, I still feel kind of hot. But anyway, I noticed that I wasn't able to upload. It was giving me some issues to upload. It would go up eventually, but it was giving me issues. It was giving me sign. The red flags was coming up. But anyway, one particular day, my editor video done, and it was a requested recipe too. But go ahead and go so boom and upload it. I noticed say, no, I not only have problem for upload the video, no, I have problem for log in. When I log in, it logged me back out. I wasn't able to log in. When I log in, I log in to my profile, How to Cook channel, it would say that I need to log in order to upload the video, even though I just logged in. Anyway, it gets worse. Now I'm not able to log in. Now I'm not able to upload from my computer. From my computer, it was giving me hella problem. All right, so the next day, I said, I'm gonna get a break. Maybe my computer is kind of acting up. My computer, I just get a computer like a year. My husband buy it, give me. So I know that it wasn't really the computer, but maybe the computer have corruption on it. I don't know, only pop things because I use it for edit and me save videos and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and clear off some of the things that I had on there. And my daughter come over, we tried to rectify the problem, clear the cookie, all kind of thing. It still was not allowing me to upload anything from my computer to YouTube. Let's just say, long story short, me just get so frustrated. But my frustration didn't really start there. My frustration started before I was having problems uploading the videos to How to Cook channel. Before that, I was really tired. I was starting to get tired. Up late up edit videos, sometimes at 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning. My husband get up for go to work like 3:30 in the morning. When he's getting up, I'm just getting into bed. And I was tired. I was getting really tired. Drained. I was staying on the computer just drinking tea and drinking water and not eating. And then my health, I started to feel some kind of way in my body. I feel some changes. I gained, for some reason, I wasn't eating a whole lot, but yet I was gaining. I gained weight. I gained some weight. I wasn't vegan at the time. Now I'm vegan, but I wasn't vegan at the time. But for some odd reason, I was putting on weight. Not really eating the amount of food that I put on weight, but I was putting on weight. And I felt some kind of way. I felt changes in my body. And so, I'm still pushing and go on. Not really even focusing on myself. I wasn't even giving my husband the attention that a marriage and a relationship needed, because all of my focus was on YouTube. And nothing else. 24 hours. Making videos, editing the videos, uploading the videos, promoting the videos, because now YouTube is so crazy to the point where now when you upload a video, you have to promote these videos now to get the views, because I just felt like before I got to the point where I wasn't able to upload my videos anymore, I had felt frustrated to the point where I'm saying to myself, I'm putting all this work into the channel, I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing. This is not something that I'm just doing just because I love what I do, but this is also a business. It is a business now, and I wasn't feel like I was getting back what I was putting in, so it was very frustrating. It was starting to drain me down, tear me down. And eventually, one day I just wake up, I can't upload nothing, I can't log in at the channel, right? Anyway, I was torn, y'all. When I said torn, I mean, kind of lost it, because remember, this is my business now, right? Long story short, I decided, you know what? Well, you know what? I didn't decide it. God decided for me. God made the decision for me. And like I was saying on my other channel, because I did make a video, like I said before, I did make a video letting everybody know over there so why I wasn't uploading here, because a lot of my goodies from my cooking channel follow me on my home decor channel. So I was just feeling withdrawn and down and not feeling like Juliana, trained out. I think through all of that, I think it had to do with God. You see what I'm saying? God, I wouldn't put away the YouTube thing. Focus on YouTube. Now focus on nothing else around me but YouTube every day. Breathe it, drink it, live it, sleep it, everything. God took it away. God took away How to Cook channel from me. Took it away from me, so I couldn't upload nothing. I could see my comments, some of my comments from my phone, so I know that the channel wasn't hacked. I know that there wasn't probably no problem with the channel being hacked or anything like that, okay? So I knew it had something to do with the computer. Something that I didn't know. Something that I didn't know how to reset. I couldn't fix it. Up till now, I don't know if it's not fixed yet, you know. So right now I'm making this video. I'm using my phone to make the video because whatever issue I'm having with me not being able to upload from my computer, I still have not fixed it yet. I don't know how to fix it. Alright? Anyway, my daughter came over and my daughter tried my daughter tried all of my daughter them try to fix the problem, clear off the cookie, do this, do that, all kind of thing, change this, change up that. Still can't log in still not able to. I'm able to log in, but I'm not able to stay logged in. And if you're not logged in, you're not able to upload videos if you're not logged in. As soon as I'm logged in, as soon as it log me out. Can't fix it, can't rectify it. If anybody that's watching the video know how to fix that problem, please email me. I'm going to put my email down below, so let's go ahead and email me if you know how to fix it, right? Except for the hackers, them. I'm going to need no more stress. Anyway, I wasn't able to upload. I said, no, something. I'm going to just get myself together, drop this YouTube thing for a little bit. I have Life as Juliana that I was doing with my home decor. I had stopped uploading for a minute on there because I just needed to take a break. But then I said to myself, God, I prayed about it. I meditate about them, pray about them. I said, God, lead me and guide me and tell me what you want me to do. Just show me. I just gave everything up and I surrendered to God. And I said, God, you lead me and guide me and show me the steps that you want me to take, okay? I'm not going to try to fix anything anymore. I'm not going to try to fix the problem. Me ever allow you to fix this problem for me. Whatever direction that you want me to take, you will just follow your lead. And something snapped. Something came to me. And I decided I was going to get into the gym. Because mind you, I start to feel really tired, I can't get out of bed enough morning. Just tired, just drained and tired. Don't have no energy. And I said to myself, I'm going to get into the gym. I said, I'm going to get to the gym. And I know I have to change up the way that I'm eating. And I decided to join up the gym. I'm going to start with the gym. Now, there's no upload going on. This is like a month into this. And but I was still uploading on the once in a while I would upload a video on the home decor channel because that was the only one that was allowing me to upload from that same computer. That's why I know something was, God just took away how to cook from me for a while because I was still able to upload videos from that same computer to Life as Juliana. So I know it was something specific that was going on with the cooking one. So, I said, all right, go to the gym, join up with the gym, and I started to work out, and I decided if I'm working out, then I have to change the way I eat too. I can't go to the gym and I eat the same regular things that I normally eat, so I decided to change my eating pattern, right? Okay, so I decided, all right, I don't want to be bothered trying to figure out the meat content, so much of this, so much of that. I said, you know something? I did vegan once before and it worked for me. Let me try vegan once again. So I decided to go vegan. I'm going to go vegan, start changing what I'm eating, going to the gym, and I have to say this. That was one of the best decisions that I ever made for myself. When I decided to go to the gym, I felt a feeling that I've never felt in my entire life. I felt like I had control of my life once again. I felt like my life was spiraling out of control. With everything that was going on around me, everything just wasn't coming together. And I felt like I was losing sight of myself. And when I started going to the gym, it's like a therapy. I was able to think again. I was able to just learn to love myself all over again and focus on me. When I decided to go to the gym, I wasn't trying to lose weight. I was trying to be healthier. Because I know it's not an heart condition, right? And if I gain weight, it put pressures on my heart and it made me breathe heavy. And a couple of videos before this thing started to happen with my YouTube channel, some of my goodies mentioned to me when I was like doing sit down and talking and stuff. Some of my goodies would ask me, how to cook? How comes your breathe so heavy? Juliana, how comes your breathe so heavy? And I would always say, I have a heart condition, that's why I'm breathing so heavy. Not knowing that my health was deteriorating. Listen, when I decided to start going to the gym, it's decided to just take it 100%. Meaning, I went to the doctor to get a physical, and the doctor told me I was borderline everything. Borderline everything. My blood pressure was high, my cholesterol was high, everything was going left because I wasn't taking care of myself at all. And so, the change up my eating, I start intaking like more healthy juices and protein stuff and vegan stuff, and I do my research as far as that is concerned. I always love vegan food because you guys know I always cook vegan recipes, so it was easy for me to transition into the vegan lifestyle. And honey, that was one of the best decisions that I ever think I made for myself. Going to the gym was number one, and eating different was number two. I started to lose weight. I lose so much weight. I lost weight. When I went to the gym, I was just so weak in my body. Not only was I mentally drained and weak and couldn't think straight, but my entire body was weak. I couldn't even lift 5 pounds. That's how weak my entire body was. And trust me, within about 3 months, I was able to lift 10 pounds, and I started lifting 15 pounds, and I started to see results. My face looked different, the skin looked different, my mental, I could think straight. I could think straight. Now, the computer thing, what I still wasn't able to upload, but during that time, I didn't even touch the computer. Not one time. I would go edit a video for the channel, but I never tried to log into the cooking channel. I could still, like I said, I still saw my comments from my phone, but I couldn't do anything else from my computer, and that is the source of where you do your editing and stuff like that. And I said, you know what? 3 months went by, now I touch it. 4 months went by, now I touch it. And deep inside, I know that I had to face my fears as well. I had to find a way to face my fears because I knew within me that that was a test. I was being tested. There was something just tell me, say, God, test me. I had to go through that, what was happening to the cooking channel, because me make it become such a part of me, and I wasn't really focusing on what was in front of me, which was my children, which was my husband, which was my health, which was everything that was right there in front of me. I wasn't focusing on none of that but YouTube. Breathe it, eat it, drink it, sleep it. And God take it away, like that. And to be honest with you, a lot of people reach out to me. A couple of people reach out to me. I can't think of names right now, but a couple of people reach out to me on Instagram, Facebook, and right in some of the even the comment section, a couple of people asked me if I was okay. They didn't see me uploading for a while. They wasn't getting any notifications from me, and I just want to say right now, for all those people that reach out to me, all those people that took the time to send me messages, came over to the Life as Julia channel to make sure that I was okay, I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. It means such, it really means a lot to me for know that when they care that much about me, they come and ask me if I was okay. It really made me see who was true and who was not true. Because during a time when everything was okay with the channel and I was able to upload, a couple of people, a lot of people, forget about a couple, a lot of people had sent me messages, email me and inbox me on Instagram, and they were asking me to help them to build their channel, to grow their channel, right? Mind you, I don't have 1 million views, but whatever help that they thought, maybe the numbers, because I do have over 200,000 subscribers, so maybe the numbers, and maybe I don't mind helping nobody. I love to help people because that's how your blessings flow, right? But those same people that was asking me to help them to do collaboration with them when I was uploading frequently, not one of them inbox me and ask me and reach out to me and ask me, how to cook? You alright? Me no see you upload for how long? Everything's okay? What's going on? Are you still cooking? No. Nobody asked me nothing. Not one of them. So listen. I decided, I figure out a way how I could go ahead and start to upload from my phone. So Jody, honey, trust me. I want to thank you because you are one of the only person that told me how I could upload my videos from my phone. So I love you, girl. I love you from day one. Jody, big up on yourself. Listen, if y'all don't know how Jody is, Jody's Kitchen, Jody's Cooking, go ahead and subscribe to her channel. She's optical. Optical. She is amazing. She checked on me when I wasn't uploading. She said, sis, are you okay? She checked on me when I never did an upload. Jody. Alright? So big up yourself, Jody. I love you to the max. To the max. I tell you from long time, see, I'm a little sister now. Because you remind me. You remind me a lot of myself. And I love you for that. And I appreciate that. I decided, right? This channel. I didn't take control of this channel, right? I was doing what people wanted me to do. I felt at one point that I wasn't being myself. I couldn't be myself. Everybody wanted me to do this to be this perfect cooking chef girl. And I'm nowhere near perfect. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna come on here and feel down sometimes. I'm gonna look sad sometimes. I'm gonna have a mood swing sometimes. I'm gonna have opinions. I'm gonna have a voice. I'm gonna have agree with the comment section. Sometimes I'm going to be Juliana. And I felt like I wasn't being appreciated for who I truly am. If I wanted to sway away from something different, people had an opinion. People was upset. How much Jamaican recipes are you going to cook on your channel every single day? You have to be authentic, learning different things and combining your island food with different nationality and make a meal. That is how I see it. When I first started this channel, right, I was not doing cooking. I never did a cooking up. I was doing outfit of the day because I had a store in Atlanta and I was using the channel to promote my store and to sell my jewelry. And it was my daughter who pushed me into starting this cooking channel. I say this all the time. My daughter pushed me into putting a cooking recipe up one long time ago, probably like 7 years ago, and that was my first video of cooking. Rice and peas and chicken. Never forget that. You understand me? I was doing, if you go back, if you guys want to go back and check my videos from when I first started my channel, I was doing outfit of the day. Outfit of the day, people. I wasn't cooking, right? I so happened to put a cooking video up and the channel kind of take off. I didn't want to let go my passion. My channel was not even a cooking chat. Like, I didn't start off naming the channel How to Cook. The channel was called Q2 Fashionista. And my daughter changed the channel name. I wanted to do everything. I wanted to do my vlogs. I wanted to do my home decor. I wanted to do whatever comes to mind. I wanted this channel to be whatever I wanted to be. And I did not allow myself to do what I wanted to do with the channel. I listened to what other people wanted. And I stopped doing the things that made me happy and only stick to cooking. And that was the big mistake that I made with this channel. And because I didn't do that, eventually, it didn't hit me right away, but it hit me eventually. It took a toll on me because I wasn't able to voice and do what I want to do. But I just felt like I'm scared of what people are going to say, the comment section and all of that. But you know something? I reached to the point now, after these past couple of months, when I take for myself, it's like going into rehab. I didn't need it. To regroup myself, I'm going to take charge, all right, of this channel right here, How to Cook. And I'm going to do things a whole lot different. A whole lot different. For those of you that's been on this journey with me from day one, I love you guys. And thank you for riding with me for so many years, right? For those of you that just started the journey and decided to stick it out and never unsubscribe even when I wasn't uploading, I appreciate you guys. For those of you that do not appreciate the woman that I am and the things that I bring to this channel, you could leave. Because me not have no time feed. If you don't want to be subscribed, if you want to be negative in the comment section, you can leave. Because me not have no more time and no more patience for this. This is a new me, a new God transforming into somebody else right now that's sitting in front of you and talking. I'm not gonna put up with no more the stupidity, none whatsoever. If you don't like the recipe, you could leave, period. I'm just like not trying to have that anymore. Now what I'm going to do, the spirit just tell me say me need to make changes, I'm gonna do just that. What I want to do from this point on is help people. I want to help people, for help for grow for them channel, right? There's so many people that have channels that's just starting out and they have not been they've not monetized. If I could help them to get their channel monetized, that is what I want to do. I want to give back on this channel. I don't want to think about gaining money and all them something. I just want to help somebody. The few people that's going to stay with me and ride with me, if those people could go support those people, that's what I want to do. So I'm going to do collaborations all the time, every time. We want to start doing collaborations every video. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to be the one who's going to reach out to a couple of people already that ride with me over Life as Juliana. So if you are watching this video, right, and you want to grow your channel, you're doing cooking or whatever it is that you want to do, let me know and we're going to do a collaboration. That is what I want to do on this channel, period. Yes, I might put a little video out there here and there, something I probably have whip up in the kitchen real quick, but I want to be able to do collabs with other people to help them to grow their brand. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. But that is basically what's been going on with the channel and why I have not uploaded. And to be honest with you, I didn't need a break. And to be really honest with you, I missed it at first because it's like taking crack from a crackhead. I didn't really miss it at first, but after time went on, I didn't miss it. And I didn't want to come back. It sounds sad to say it, really sad, but it's the truth. Because you know one thing about Juliana, I always keep things 100%. I really wasn't feeling the urge to come back. But there is a few people that push me to come back. Push me. There's someone that follows me. I don't want to call her name, but there's someone that follows me on here, Instagram, Facebook, everything. Him always, I could say it's a him. He always telling me, come back. And also, I want to mention Carrie-Ann's Kitchen. Carrie-Ann's name? I don't remember. She follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and she also subscribed to my channel Life as Julia. What's your name again? I think so. So, girlfriend, you know who you are. I'm going to do a collab with you. Because I promise you, I'm going to do a collaboration with you when we come back to cooking. We are going to do that because if we can help somebody to grow them channel, that is what I'm going to do, alright? I think that covers that. Because you don't know, say your girl can't edit nothing because of phone may I use. But yeah, I love to cook. I love what I do. I love home decor too. A lot. Did I miss cooking for you guys? At first I did, but then later on I kind of didn't. Because I feel sometimes I don't get appreciated for the effort. But I know that I do help a lot of people to get them cooking skills up. For those people that love me and appreciate me, I'm coming back for you guys. Right? For you, may I come back and do this thing. I'm not going to promise you a video every day, but I'm going to do the best that I can. Right? But I think that's it. I think my all talked out. Yeah. It's time for me to go do, I have to get some stuff done today. It's 100 and something degrees outside. But yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving the door. Bad. All of my goodies them, I love a bad, like real bad. But I didn't need a break. I didn't need a mental break for real, for real, for real. It was long coming. It really was. But anyway, y'all, that sums that up. Yeah, your girl did lose some weight though. Did lose a lot of weight, as you can see. Lost a lot of weight. And I feel a whole lot better. I feel a lot healthier. A whole lot healthier. I really, really do. But I love you guys, and thank you for all your love and support. And guess what? I'll see you in my next one. Peace.